New at the University of Potsdam? Here are a few tips and tricks for a successful start to your studies. Tip number 1. You don't have to do everything on your own. There's a wide range of support services available at the University of Potsdam. Maybe you're not yet familiar with some of the basic principles you will need at the start of your bachelor's degree? No worries. You can easily close any gaps in your knowledge in preparatory courses before the semester starts. If you need help putting together a good class schedule, you can attend a workshop offered by the Central Student Advisory Service or get help from your departmental student representative committee, in German Fachschaft, from tutors for international students at your faculty, or the departmental advisors, in German Studienfachberatung. You're not yet expected to have mastered academic skills such as scientific working methods. Courses about this are offered to all bachelor students in all degree programs at the Central Student Advisory Service or at the Center for Languages and Key Competences. Read the general and subject-specific regulations for your degree program. This will help you understand the formal rules. You can usually find a sample degree progress plan at the end of the study and examination regulations, which you can use as a guideline. Attend the introductory event at your faculty. Not only will you get to know the teaching staff, but you will also get real insider tips that you won't find in any study regulations. This is also a great way to get to know other students. The University of Potsdam offers many leisure and cultural activities, including the Academic Sports Center, debating clubs, theater groups, and pub crawls. Familiarize yourself with the university campuses and explore Potsdam. To stay up to date, you can also subscribe to the University of Potsdam's social media channels, the Central Student Advisory Services livestream, #StudyStream, or the podcasts Wir sind UP and Einmal abholen bitte. Play an active role in shaping your university, in the Departmental Student Committee, the General Students Committee ASTA, and the Student Council. And even if you are already in the middle of your studies, the Central Student Advisory Service, the departmental advisors, or the mental health services are always ready to answer your questions. Of course, this also applies if you need additional assistance during your studies due to an impairment or chronic illness, or if you are caring for your child or another family member. The Central Student Advisory Service team is always there for you.